Olajumoke Olusegun, famously known as Olajumoke Onibread, is warming out on the internet again. The former bread seller, who became popular years ago after being discovered during a photo shoot, has now shared a touching video of herself reading English fluently. In the new video posted online, Olajumoke thanked her sponsor, Mrs. Adedoja, for supporting her education. She said she's very grateful for the help and wanted to show how much she has learned. Then she picked up the textbook and began reading aloud. To the surprise of many fans, Olajumoke read the passage clearly and confidently, even though the words weren't hard. People were impressed by how well she pronounced everything and how far she has come in learning. Many people who watched the video shared kind words in the comments. Some praised Olajumoke's determination to keep learning, while others thanked her sponsor for giving her a second chance at education.
I want just to use this opportunity to thank Ms. Adedoja for all her efforts and all her support on my education. Thank you so much, Ms. Adedoja. God bless you, ma. Thank you so much for my education. Thank you. I really appreciate you, ma. God will continue to bless you and your family, Ms. Adedoja. Thank you so much, ma. I want just to read a small book tonight. Ben has a red hen. The red hen has a nest. The red hen asked an egg. Is the egg for me? ? No. Let Ben get the egg. Ben, go to the nest for the egg. Ben fed the red hen. The cat fed on the rat. Let the cat go to the mat. Let the hen go to the nest. That's all.
It's worth noting that Olajumoke, who used to sell bread on the streets, is now working as a broadcaster. In the past, she took a break from the public eye, but recently she has been making a strong comeback. She has also spoken about challenges in her personal life, including why she left her marriage. In a past interview, Olajumoke also talked about her former manager and how some things went wrong in her early career. But despite everything, she's focused on her future and education. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV for more news stories and exclusive videos. Stay tuned.